Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm excited that you tuned in today. I've been thrifting again, you guys. This is my third Goodwill thrifting trip of 2020 and I got a lot of stuff and I'm very excited about the things that I got. And before I get into it, I want to thank my current subscribers. You guys are awesome. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and are rolling with me. And I want to welcome any new people to subscribe to the Rink Chic crew. And we do a lot of fun things here, thrifting and home decor and decorating, and I do tablescapes. So just want you to go on and subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload any new content, okay? Alright, so that's all good. So I'm going to start with my first item. And this is little basket, and they're still getting some good stuff, good Christmas stuff in at my Goodwill. So I got this basket here and it's 99 cents. It's cute. Use it for a lot of different things. And so since we're on baskets, sorry for the rustling of the paper. This is a cute little rustic basket. It's so well made. I wish you could feel it. So this is when I'm in my rustic mode. I'll do some, and I'll add some bows or something to this. And this was $2.99. I'm on my new camera, so I don't know I don't know if you could really. My husband got me this for the holidays, so I'm still learning it. So I don't know how clear, how close I need to get. Right, so that's cute. And I've got these florals. These are white poinsettias, which I love poinsettias. And there's like 4 different picks in here. And this was $3.99. And this is well worth it to me because all holiday long I wanted some white poinsettias, but I wasn't willing to pay the price. So it's cool. And I got this. This is kind of like a velvet poinsettia. And this was from Walmart. This was $5 at Walmart, and I saw them there all holiday long. But then at Goodwill they were charging $2.99. And they had a lot of nice poinsettias in there. Okay, so that's, and then I got these white ornaments. And these were 99 cents. So I don't think I'll be going through a lot of white. I'm just going to do what next year. I have a lot to work with, and I'm just going to do whatever I feel like doing. Okay, so since we're still, that's Christmas stuff, and then y'all know how hard it is to get affordable deer. And so this was in there. And I can incorporate this somehow. I'm going to keep the color the same, everything. It's cute. And it was 99 cents. The tag kept falling off. 99. And the last, I got a clear acrylic deer in 2019. And I paid, on sale, I paid probably like $16 for it. So when I saw those deer in there, I grabbed them. And then here's a smaller one. And this one was 99 cents as well. So we got these 2. So these would be good on a buffet or any, entry table decoration. I can make these work. So I was very happy with those. Right, and I'm so excited about this because I wanted white pumpkins last year. I got 2 from Burlington, small ones, but I wanted some big ones. So this, I'm gonna learn to get up closer. And this was $2.99. I got that one. And then y'all, well, I'm afraid I put this stuff down, I'll forget it's down there, and then I'll end up kicking it. And look at this. This is a big old pumpkin soup tureen. It didn't have the ladle and the gold top, so I am like, I got the white pumpkins that I wanted. And guess what the price was? Yes, $1.29. So I was excited about that. So just a minute, I'm gonna get this stuff away from me. Every time I do a haul, I need to get these precious items away because I'll end up kicking them and don't even know it. Okay, so let's see, I got all of that out the way. Okay, let's see, I'm back. Alright, so, oh, and then another holiday. These were so cute to me. These gold, like, tree candle holders, and they were 99 cents each. And I could use these for a lot of different things. A lot of different tablescapes. Like, that's cute. Now, oh, let me show you these. And I love calla lilies. So I got this bunch of calla lilies for, these are $1.99. And they're kind of that spongy material. And I love them because I like doing a lot of Afrocentric tablescapes and exotic. So I think calla lilies go well with like Afrocentric decor. Then I got these. These are calla lilies. These are like the latex ones, and these are $1.99. These are so beautiful. When you go thrifting, guys, you got to move stuff, because I know I wanted some calla lilies and everything else was on top of these, and I was moving stuff and I saw these like in a crevice and I was like, that's exactly, I wanted like the nosegay size. Exactly what I wanted, but it was way in the back. Had to move. You got to move stuff and you got to bend down, because all the stuff that I really like, I've always had to move it and I have to crouch down to get it. Oh, and then I got these. Now these, I got these from Ross, and these were just $1.49 at Ross. So those are all of my florals. Okay, then I'm so excited about this because I passed on these on 3 trips, and passed on these. So let me start with I'm going to start with this. Got this amber colored bud vase. And this was $1.99. So I was looking for some Afrocentric decor, and I know my first 2 trips there I saw these plates. And here are like the small plates here with mud cloth, and I saw the first day that I went to Goodwill, I saw these there, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these plates. It's majestic wear, And it's made by Oneida or Oneida. You know, that's a good brand. And it's a set, and it came with those plates. Excuse the rustling. Then it came with like a lunch plate. And I knew, and each time I went into Goodwill, those were still sitting there. But it just wasn't on my agenda to buy at that time. And the next time I went in there, and I had these in my cart twice. But I'm like, nope, I'm going to stick to my mission. And then it came with these cups. You know me, I like Afrocentric. I like African art. And these are so beautiful to me. And nobody wanted them. I'm like, y'all can come home with me. And so I got 4 of the cups. And all of that was like, I took the plastic off, but it was $3.99, $4 for all of that. These, and then another set was these. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these lunch plates. These are Montgomery Ward. They were like big in the 80s. We had like a Montgomery Ward distribution center not too far from our home. So I was like, these are so Afrocentric. I love them. And then it only came with 2 like dinner plates. So I love to mix an Afrocentric decor. So cute to mix and match. So you take these, then I'll put that pattern with it. And then you can put the cup on top. And I'm going to have a very beautiful tablescape using these for February, since it's Black History Month. So I'm going to create a tablescape representing that. And so once I saw these, once I realized I was going to get these, and I said I want to get as much as I can to complement it. So I found like this like little soup. I wanted rustic, I wanted earth tones, I wanted like earthenware. So this was 99 cents. They only had one. But this is like if I did an African table, you put nuts in there and stuff like that. And then I found these little vases, and these are interesting. I'm not gonna say they're cute, they're pretty. This Spanish lady, she was behind me when I was checking out. She said, these are beautiful, and I was like, no, they're odd. And she said in Spanish, she said, I got a lot of like pretty ugly stuff in my house, you know. So these are pretty ugly, and they're so well made. The construction of these and what makes them interesting, their color and the texture. These were from Marshall's, but Goodwill was selling these for $1.29 each. And so I thought those would be cute. And it kind of, you know, it had that exotic look. So we put some calla lilies in these. And just make an interesting, unusual tablescape. And I was able to find, so I wanted candles to go with so I wanted some earth tone candles. These came from Marshall's, but these were $2.99 each. So these are, and they smell wonderful. $2.99 for these nice candles, earth toned, going with the theme that I was working on. And one more thing. Okay, I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted some amberware. So when I went over to the glassware, I was able to find some amber colored glassware. And this was the best I could get. These are good. These were 99 cents each. Got a water glass there. I got these goblets. And so since I got this vase was like amber colored. I wanted all the glassware on my table to have an amber hue. So I'm just saying, those are tips I want to share with you guys. You know, once you like see, if you see some plates that you like, then, you know, just start scavenging around and see what you can get to complete an entire table, you know, at, you know, where you are. And I know most of my subscribers are seasoned people and seasoned thrifters, but you know, you could just reiterate, you know, move stuff around, bend down, and you know, circle around a couple of times. And so I want to thank you guys for spending time with me today, and I really enjoyed this haul and bringing you this information, and just to inspire you to, you know, go out and check your Goodwill for some unique finds. And again, thank you guys for your support. Thanks for rolling with me. We're going to keep rolling. Any new people, go on and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new and upcoming content. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.